Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, American Falls, local and long distance movers near me. We provide all the right options for your long distance moving, including packing and unpacking, supplying pack materials, and transparent pricing. Getting the right moving company for your relocation is important. Not all moving teams will handle long distance moves. Whether you need to go to one state or over several states away, you can make the moving day simple. Any Idaho moving company can make your local move so much easier. It might seem like such a short move can easily be handled without help. However, if you don't hire professional movers, you'll end up doing all the heavy lifting and hard work yourself. If this sounds like something that you'll like to avoid, the right movers will help. Professional movers, such as 3 men and a truck, will make moving easier. We streamline the entire process to ensure that you save time and energy. If you need to move your home or business, let us make it easier. A move that might take you all weekend, we get done in a few hours. In addition to local and long distance moving, our American Falls moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.